Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma Hakasni Balang ula IT ya ke first installment ke Bashiklur tingka ke badai ke Mang Jingiarap ke ba Arklur jong ke Sorkar Jela lyngba ke Meghalaya Healthcare Advancement Policy MHAP syah ke Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jawai. Ya ka Shiklur tingka ka basa on supply hadian baladep ban IT ya ka utilization certificate halor ka jing pendenkam ya ka ni ka Jingiarap pisa ka Baningkong. Hapo jong kani ke skim ke sorkar kala penyo hadu shiphoklur syaki santli ki hospital bala penyai lagi kinhun baper ke jelang. Hapo keren ke jingelang menteri rangba ula pen skim halor ke jingkut jingmut jong ke sorkar ban ai ke jingat trilang ke bane Islam bat ki hospital bala penyai lagi kinhun balang. Kani kamdi setia ke jing ajing Arab ke batang shisin Henry ke ditang ke jing sedang ban betengnya ke jing trilang ke bane bat ki hospital jong ki kinhun balang. Kas kim kalong ka bayar ki hospital kila ban shim hi ya karai halor ki jingdon kam beker ki jongki bat ban pendon kam ya kani ka pisa ulaong. Reverend S. Lamare ubala penya ya kani ke jingalang ha ke jingkran ula penpau ke jing sngongu halor kani ke jingkershan bat beteng ban pan ya ke jingkershan lem ha ke bayadei bat ke jingte kumju na ke benta ke jaka nurse. Kadba i Dr. D. Nongklu Medical Superintendent ila banjur halor ke jingdon kam kerki ban don ya ka renal dialysis unit da ka bakdo halor ke jingkiu jongki judge shitom ki bom ya ben. Nakaliang Menteri Rangba ula penmenaru ya ka jing tumu ban penlong ya ka state level healthcare conference ban te ya ka jing ya trilang hapdeng ki hospital sorkar ki hospital ba penyat da ki kunhun balang bat baro ki badan benta ha kaliang ka koit ka khia. Ringkat lang ni day ban ya syakmat ban ya sam ya ki jingnang jingtep ban weng ya ki jing bat ban ai ya ka jing syakri ka bakhamba ula benram. Nalor kata ula pentip ru ba ki jing tuklar ki bane ha kaliang ka koit ka khia kuntup ka jing pende jing mut kerpang ban weng ya ki jing halor ka jing khlat jong ki long kumi ha ka por ba kha khunlong kala long ka bajob ha ka balala ban penduna ya ka ni ka jing yap dah du 100% kata ka bala ya rengkar bat ka jing khen kulum ha ka ri barok ka wei. Kani ka jing job ka day kham tam namar ki sinjam bala pentre kam kum ka CN Safe Motherhood Scheme ka ba penti kena ban kemi benya ya barok ki long kemi ki ba pun kon hapo ke jela ong konran. Ula pentip ru ba ka sorkar kala pendon kam ya ki kor ki bor teknologi ban pet ngor bat budin ya ki to ki long kemi ba pun kon ki badon ha ka jingma ka ba kontup ya ka jing shim khia ha ka por ka ba biang.
That Meghalaya is the highest spender in the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend 8% of our budget on health. And through that, in the last 7 years, most of the government infrastructure, large investments have been made to improve it. A lot more needs to be done. I'm not saying that we are done, or I'm not saying that we have achieved everything. Absolutely not. It's a very long journey. But we have been able to improve the overall infrastructure at the grassroots level. That Meghalaya has or had the highest maternal mortality rate. We were in 230 plus. For those who don't know what that means 230 deaths per lakh. And the national average in 2018 was 113 when we took over, which means we were double the national average. And at that point in time when I took over, the first question that came to my mind is that this is absolutely not acceptable. A mother is bringing life to this world. And if we have to lose the mother's life while she brings life into this world, I think it's one of the most saddest things. And that's when our journey to fight maternal mortality started. It was a very passionate move, I should say. What you're seeing in front of you right now is the program to save mothers' lives. The CM Safe Motherhood program we started. Friends, this is live. This is on the internet. This is not data that we're just showing you that is in the computer. This is as we speak right now. Just come up to the top part. So what we started doing, okay, you're showing this. I just want to show the active mothers. Yeah. So this is live. Meghalaya today monitors every single pregnant mother in the state. This is live. And as we speak right now, there are 39,424 pregnant mothers. And we exactly know who is in which trimester.